Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download and install Python in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. We all know what is Python. Python, like if you want to do coding or etc. In this case, you need to install this software in your Windows 11. So I will share with you how you can install this software in your Windows 11 PC. So in order to do that, you need to open your Windows 11 in your web browser, and then you go jump over and type here Python. You're going to find here Python, and then open this welcome to Python and click here download, and then you're going to see the latest version of Python. So you're going to click here download Python, and that's going to be immediately download. So you're going to open that software, or we're going to try to install. So after click here open, you're going to see it's going to give you option to install Python 3.1.0. So you're going to click here install now, and this software is going to be installed in my desktop or laptop in Windows 11. So in this simple way, you can easily download and install Python software in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.